In this video, you are going to learn how to transform your personal Instagram account into a professional one, whether you're aiming to be a content creator or to set up an online store. To achieve this, we have two main options available to you. The first option is to create a brand new account from scratch that will be exclusively dedicated to this purpose, or the second option is simply to convert the existing account that you currently use. In this case, as our first option, we'll look at converting an existing account that we already possess into a professional one. Now, to achieve this, in the bottom right-hand corner, we'll click on our profile icon, and then we'll proceed to locate the three lines at the very top. We'll click on it once more. Once we're here, we need to carefully look for the option that clearly states Account Settings, or something very similar to that. We'll have to scroll down just a little bit further on the page, right here, where it specifically says Account Type and Tools. We'll proceed to click on this particular option, and then you'll see it says Switch to Professional Account. We'll click on it once again. Here you'll see what we'll be getting, and then we'll simply click on Next. Now, we have to choose a particular category or field. For instance, you could be an artist, a blogger, a content creator, or even a writer, editor, gamer, restaurant owner, photographer, and many other things. In this specific case, I'll select Gamer, for example. We'll click where it says Switch to Professional Account. Medan sa dinter. And the good thing about this process is that it's quite fast. In fact, did you notice? No, it didn't take us that long to do it. Now, here we have two options. If it's for a creator, we have options that make it easier to see our numbers for reels or posts, and if it's for business, it's more focused on selling. Here, you're going to have to make a choice between these two. In my case, I'm going to go directly with the creator option. I will then click on the button that says Next, and right here, I'll click OK. Here, I'll select Not Now, and then I'm all done. And those are the steps that we must follow so that we have our professional account at 100%. It's simply having this Meta Verified option. Also, to add a description, set goals, complete our profile, and all that, so we can monetize and get that famous blue check mark. Now, let's go back. I'm back. And if, for example, you want to switch your account back to being for personal use, we'll go back to the three lines. And here, we need to look for the option that says Creators new kurdatar, shurkuri we sar, Creator Tools and Controls. We click on it, and here we need to find the option that says Change Account Type. We click on it, and here we can change it back again to either a business account or a personal account. In this case, I will switch it back to the personal account. I click there, and automatically, we've already made the change. In fact, it's incredibly fast. Now, we're going to go back. All right, now, we're going to create a completely new account for an online store. For that, we'll go here where our username is located, and then we'll click where it says Add Instagram Account. Here we'll click where it says Create a new Instagram account, and then I'll click where it says Next, or if I prefer, I can simply change the name. For example, I will name it Store. I'll just leave it like that for now. I'll click Next, then I'll click Continue, then I'll click Accept. Here, I'll click where it says Skip, and that's it. We've got it. Let's wait for that to update. I'll click Next, I'll click Skip, I'll click Skip, I'll click Skip. There it is. I'll click on where it says Allow All, then I'll tap Got It, and we'll go to our profile. Here, it's exactly the same process. We'll go to the three lines at the top, and here we'll search for the Account option, which is practically at the very end. There it is, Account Type and Tools. We click it, and then we'll choose Switch to Professional Account. We'll click Next. Here we can put the same thing again. There it is, but now we'll have a business account directly. Let's wait for that to finish loading. I'll keep this set to business. Then I'll go ahead and click Next, and here you can see are all my personal details. In this specific situation, I'll tell it not to use my personal information. I'll simply click Skip, and then we're all set. This is precisely what we need to accomplish here. And if you want to close this tab, simply click on the X, and that's it. This way, you learn to create a professional Instagram account, either by having your normal profile and changing it to a creator or business account, or by creating a new account from scratch and doing the same. Remember, if you wish to follow all the necessary steps to complete your profile, you simply click right up here at the top of the screen, and then you will need to select each one of these options individually so that you can successfully complete your professional Instagram profile. You'll have to do this for each and every one of the steps, and if you personally prefer, you can always purchase Meta's verification. The option is available right there. Let's just go back for a moment. In this section, you can also track your goals and other metrics to understand the full scope and everything involved. That's mainly related to advertising, you see. And, well, here, you simply have to mark each one of these so that your professional account is complete. That would be the initial part of our discussion. Now, the key distinction between a professional account and a personal one is that if you wish to examine the statistics with greater detail, you merely have to access this section labeled Professional Dashboard, and right here, you will find all the comprehensive data for your professional dashboard. You can see the views, the interactions, new followers, and many other things, and that's what truly makes the biggest difference between a traditional or personal account and a professional one.